Hey you guys, this is foreverlubin and welcome to my channel. Now in this video I am doing yet again another contact lens try on slash review from a new company, and if you guys are interested, just keep watching. Now hi, I am all glammed up and ready to go. I am pretty excited, and this is the company that I'll be reviewing today, which is Just for Kyra, and they sent me 4 sets of contact lenses and I am so ready. Now before I try on the lenses, of course, I will be showing you guys my natural dark brown eyes, pretty much to show you guys what I'm working with. So here they are. And I also have a coupon code from this company. Just use foreverlubin for 20% off. Now the first set that I'll be trying on for you guys is Neala Brown. And as soon as I pop these babies on, of course after trial and error, they look so good. I fell in love with these. They look so good with my skin tone. It complements my skin. Like, it just looks bomb. Like, behind the scenes, if you guys were to see me, I was just feeling myself. And here they are up close. Like, I instantly fell in love with these. Like, I was so sad when I had to take these off just to try on new contacts. But, hey, no biggie. Now, here are the next set, and these are crystal brown. And after trying these on, I didn't regret taking the other ones off. But anyways, these look similar to the first pair that I tried on for you guys. And I love these as well. They look amazing. Like I said, it complements my skin so well. It doesn't look overly dramatic or anything like that. It looks so subtle and it just looks amazing. Now the third set is Citha Gray, and here they are. Look at them. They look so good. Like, believe me, I would not even go for anything like this because I feel like they are a bit intense. But I wanted to get out of my comfort zone and do something different, and I'm so glad I did because they don't look crazy on me. They look amazing. And up close, like they look real. It looks like I was born with these, but not really. But anyways, y'all know what I mean. They look amazing. I love these so much, and I hope you guys do too. Now, last but not least, these are crystal gray. And let me just show you guys. Yes, I love these as well. They look a little similar to Citha Gray, but not really. But again, they look so good as well. And like I said, I wanted to try something different. And I'm glad that, I stepped out of my comfort zone to try on different things. And here they are up close. I love these so much. And honestly, I love all of them. I have no complaints whatsoever. Here is a recap of all the contacts I tried on. Now, if you guys are interested in these contacts, my affiliate link will be in the description below, and I also have a coupon code, so just use the code foreverlubin for 20% off. And again, I just want to say thank you all for the love, liking, subscribing, commenting, and those who haven't yet, can go right ahead and do that. Now, that completes the video, and peace and love to you. Well, have a great one, you guys.